I had a lovely sailing from Björkskär through a large part of the archipelago, and I made a new speed record on the boat, 6 knots. I feel fantastic. What do you think of my new look? The look is called sailing in very strong wind with small boat. It was nice sailing. I have come as far as I wanted to Rödlöga. The problem is when I tried to find a place to stay, the boats that were there, usually people help you, but here they had they were staying with, there was like 1.5 meter between all boats, but no one wanted to let me in, it felt like. So when I saw a space that I thought, well, that's a good one, I can take that one. The only communication I had was with a old man with a big sailing boat, big fancy sailing boat, and he pointed out where his anchor line was, as if I didn't see it, because I did see it. But that's the only thing he did. That's how he stood. And then I got so annoyed, so I thought, okay, I just put my anchor somewhere. But it was so windy and I couldn't find a place. So now I went to the main harbor here, and I couldn't find anywhere to stay, but I borrowed a mooring boy, you say that? Which you have to be a member of a sailing community to use it. But no one uses it, and I just need to get order everywhere and eat something, and then think where I will just stay for the night. And then in the middle of everything, when I was standing here just sitting down and trying to get in here, my son called me and said he had smashed a furniture, something had fallen, and I was like, I can't speak with you now. Please don't talk to me. He's at home he's soon 15 at home alone, and I don't know. I don't really want to know what he's doing. But I had a nice sailing, even though very dramatic and a lot of wind, but very nice. And I came here, and that is fantastic. So tomorrow I will get water and fuel and maybe buy something to eat. But it's very expensive here, I know that. I dried my wet clothes very low in the cockpit so they wouldn't blow away. And since no one claimed the mooring buoy, I decided to borrow it over the night. The next day I tried my new dinghy for the first time. Maybe not the best one, but better than nothing. I'm full packed. I know I'm rowing the wrong way, but it's easier if I see what I'm doing. It'll be interesting to see if I get up here now. Wish me luck. Yoo-hoo! I made it. Wet again, but only my trousers. The egg are whole, that's good. And then I bought marmalade, some fruit and yeast. I'm going to, maybe if I get feeling, I will make a bread. And fuel for the motor and water.